Adding the video blog to your site seamlessly embeds externally hosted videos to a page or post. This feature is especially useful for viewing a video while remaining on your site. To add a video blog to a page or post, click an insert point and select Video from the block menu. You can add a video in one of two ways, using a URL or using an HTML embed code. To use the URL option, find your video's URL in the address bar of your browser. Then, copy and paste your video's URL into the video editor. Alternatively, you can add your video by using its HTML code. To use this option, copy the HTML embed code from your video host. Then return to your site and click on the code icon within the video editor to add the embed code. Once you've added the video, you can add a thumbnail image. This image will display over the video before the video is played. To add the thumbnail image, drag your image into the upload box. Then check Use Custom Thumbnail. When you're all done, click Apply to save your changes. Now that you know how to add video blocks, feel free to use them throughout your site to showcase your portfolio work, share marketing material, or instructional content. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.